Hello friends, once again welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to monitor your agent, the calls. You can give to the team leader. How to do that one I'm going to show you. So here is one agent has logged in. So here's the agent. The phone is 1001 and the campaign name is this. The first thing, you have to go to the real-time main report and see the agent has logged in and status is ready, and this is the time. Now choose report display option, and here you can find it, the monitor. So this is the monitor and Barging. So monitor means basically you are monitoring any calls. You cannot speak anything, you just listen what are the conversation between the agent and the client. And the Barging means you can enter to the call, so you can tell anything, we are doing the conference call, the same thing. Barging means go to the in call and speak whatever you want. Sometimes the agents are, let's assume there is a one there is a fridge, you are going to sell the fridge, so the price is about to 25,000 rupees or INR anything. So the client is asking, can you please no give some discount or anything. So you know the price, right? You are the team leader, you have the base price of the fridge, so you can put the rate, you can alter the rate also. So in your agent, he can do it, right? So you can do anything about the pricing, alteration. So you are going to Barging the call, and you can tell the client that sir, we can offer you 23,000, like this kind of thing. So how to do that one, I'm just going to show you. Like a monitor and Barging are the same thing, nothing is no different in technical, but obviously monitor means you can hear the conversation, and Barging mean you can the same in conference thing. So let's go, and this is the phone, basically which phone you are using, the extension number. You have a phone, right? Like a 1001 or 1002 behind you, so I'm putting 1002. I have registered here in Zoiper, and now I'm going to submit. See, here's the one more option is came up to. Here's the listen. Click on listen. See, okay, and just answer it. Now you can hear anything what the conversation is going on, the agent and the client side. So this is the technology, basically it's helped lots in your business, because the new agents cannot speak well, or you can listen the conversation also and rate the conversation like a quality assist or anything. So thanks for watching this video. Please tell us if you need more videos for your production or anything. I will definitely try to make it. Thank you. Please subscribe us and like us. We need your vote more and more. Thank you.